It's not easy to be a chef. It's a lot of sacrifice. I try to do my best, always. Time is always on my mind. The struggle of balance. ¿Cómo encuentro balance en mi vida y entre mi casa y mi trabajo? There are no shortcuts. At Hilton Los Cabos, our culture prioritizes family. When I can see the ocean, aquí puedo pensar lo que es ser un padre, un maestro, un chef. Because I sacrifice a lot of things. There are days when the pressure gets to me. Sometimes I give too much of myself. Sorry. Oof. Okay, I got it. I'm fine. 17 years ago, I had paralysis. The doctor said, well, you need to be worried about it because if you continue like this, something can happen. And my son, daughter was there with my wife, and he said, we need you. Family is first, than everything. From that time, on that moment, I need to change my life. I have been with Hilton for over 20 years. I found a job that doesn't make me choose between the two loves of my life. Work, family. I'm really happy because Hilton support me and give me all my balance that I have in my work and in my life. I spend every day off with my family. I'm really happy to be with my wife. Oh my God, I have been with this beautiful woman more than 33 years. Can you imagine?
A ver qué tal les parece.
I have the best son and daughter. My kids and I love cooking together. Jessica, my baby. Te amo. Christopher, whew, smart kid. Passionate, responsible. Oh my God, I'm really proud of him. I push them, my wife pushes them to be the best.
La verdad los amo, son una gran bendición en mi vida y ver todo su que hacen. ¿Y dónde están las vacas?
Me tocaba a mí la
No olvido ser chef,
decoración.
buen padre, pero no olvido ser chef. Hey, ¿qué pasó?
And I'm really proud of them because now they have their own business. They have their own restaurant. I'm very lucky to have a family at home and at work.
Mire, las quiero decorar con unas flores.
Sale. Sí. Me gustó. Lulu is one of my restaurant chefs. Por eso te digo que es la mejor. Lulu makes the best tortillas in Mexico.
Eres fantástica, Rosetta.
First of all, great human, great woman. For me, Lulu, she's like my sister. We connect because she understands me.
Fuerte se ve súper.
She understands what I want for the guests.
En la decoración.
She is really passionate with their moles, with the salsas, with the tortillas. We combine our experience and ideas. And when I see the results, wow, I'm really proud of her.
Hola chicos, ¿cómo están?
I like to see the staff happy.
Qué rico.
I invest so much into my team.
¿Cómo quedó?
Un clásico. Ser un maestro es parte de mi identidad. I have 7 restaurants in Hilton Los Cabos. I love Mexican food. I love sopes. I love barbacoa. I love carnitas. And of course, local products that we have here. There are no secrets to good food. Only fine ingredients.
¿Qué es este? ¿Huesito?
Los Cabos is a boundary where the Sea of Cortez meets the Pacific Ocean. The seafood here is the finest on the world.
Perfecto.
Nothing better than fresh fish and fresh ingredients.
Gracias.
A few kilometers from Los Cabos is Miraflores.
Lo más importante es la tierra. Nosotros siempre nos enfocamos en la calidad sobre la cantidad.
Tequila Farm cultivates some of the best products in Mexico.
Ya pudimos ver que la fresa funciona perfectamente aquí. El tomatillo,
Here I can pick every product from the root,
es la flor.
examine the aromas and the textures.
Te agradezco mucho, cariño.
Although I balance my life outside and work, I look for intersections. I love the ocean. I love seafood.
Las aguas están más frías. Yo siento que eso también ayuda muchísimo para la temperatura.
My sous chef Jean-Pierre and I enjoy fishing together.
Sí, un ceviche me gustaría, ¿no?
Un ceviche, ¿no?
Un ceviche, una combinación.
Voy al estilo baja.
The combination of him and my ideas and his ideas. We talk about the menus and we enjoy.
Buenísimo, vamos, chef. Vamos. Vamos, ya lo tenemos, vamos, vamos. Jurel, es un jurel.
Carlos is an amazing sous chef.
Lo que pescamos hoy, Charlie. Sí, todo se ve súper fresco, se ve delicioso. Y con los ingredientes de Miraflores va a quedar perfecto.
He's always with details. He's humble. He's responsible. He's always pushing the team.
Bueno, just in the lowers. I know Mexico is well known for tequilas, but what most people don't know is they're also well known for wine.
Raul is our general manager. He loves wine like me.
Amazing. Thank you for your support, my balance in my life and my work. We truly believe in thriving in that separation of personal life and work life.
Vamos con el primero. Pásalo como unos...
Running 7 concept restaurants and making sure they all perform at their best in my mission here.
Wow. Qué experiencia para nuestros huéspedes.
Brindemos, chef. Salud por todo lo que viene. Salud. Salud, salud, chicos. Salud, chef.
Guests can enjoy the tequila library.
Esto es México.
And they have a beautiful meal in our restaurants.
Un alumno supera al maestro. A ver si sí.
Hey, how you doing here? How's your meal? It's a lot of sacrifice to be in the kitchen. It's not easy. Enjoy it.
2 segundos después. Y dice Chris, la burrata.
It's time to have the real balance that I need.
Gracias por todo, cariño. Mucho. You're in charge now.
I'm the best place because I have my family, I have my work, I'm really happy, I have the best staff, I have the best guests.
Deliciosa.
Aprendí el mejor.
What else I need? Nothing.
So, you have a job that you love.
Yes.
Your kids are grown, following in your footsteps.
Yes,
You did it.
I did.